Alright, so this is the first turkey that I've ever bought and tried to cook. And so I just opened up the legs and looked inside and pulled out all the stuff. I'm assuming this is the neck. This is like liver, I guess. And I think that might be the heart. I'm not entirely... Or no, this might be the heart there. Yeah, so I'm guessing that this is what they refer to as giblets or whatever. Um, Whatever it is, it's gross. The only reason that I didn't actually pay for this turkey, it was part of a turkey giveaway thing that they do at the food bank, and so I got this from the food bank because I'm poor and can't afford to buy food a lot of times. Anyways, that's beside the point. I want to cook this. I think I'm not going to cook it in the conventional way that you do for Christmas dinner. What I am going to do is I'm going to make it into a turkey soup. So my intention was to take out all the giblets, whatever they're called, and then just throw it in a pot and boil it so that it's cooked. And then add in a bunch of vegetables and possibly some noodles or rice or whatever, and make it into a delicious soup. So I'm assuming that it's going to be delicious because usually when I cook soup, it's usually pretty good. I'm pretty good at cooking that type of thing. I've got a natural, what do you call it? Whatever. I'm just naturally good at adding spices and stuff, and I've got a natural. I think you know what I'm trying to say. I'm naturally good at. I've got a natural tongue for flavor, I guess is what you might call it. But just in case you've never seen inside a turkey before, now you have. It's really gross. It's really, really nasty. I don't want to get giblet sauce all over my camera, so I'm not going to go too deep in there, but if you can see, this is what they call a crotch shot. Well, they might not call it that. I'm calling it a crotch shot, turkey crotch shot. So, I don't know about you, but do you see any more giblets in there, or giblets or whatever? Because I'm thinking maybe way deep down in there might be some stuff I can peck out of there. But, I think I'm going to leave it. So, yeah, what I was going to do is just take a picture of these giblets and then ask my mom, did I get all the giblets? Did I get all the giblets, Mom? So, what is this thing? Is this like the lung or something? I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is the heart. I was gonna say that's the heart at first, but that's pretty big for a heart, considering this size of bird. So I think this is the heart. It looks like a nice little heart. And this is definitely the liver, the kidneys, or something like that. Just because of the way it looks. It looks nasty. Okay, and this is the neck. Okay, so there was a head attached to this at some point. Got knocked off. So yeah, this is the turkey, man. This is the turkey. A whack, 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 a whack. Yeah, I generally don't like chicken or turkey, but considering that this was free, I'm gonna be eating it for a while, considering that I'm a single dude. Look at that, man. That's a big arm. Look at that. Look at that armpit. Gang, 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 gang. Waka, waka, waka. I'm a turkey. Okay, enough of that. So, yeah. If anybody can tell me, did I get all the giblets? Giblets? Let me know. Oh, look at this. Blah. My dad always likes the neck. I don't know why. It's a turkey neck. I've always thought that it was too disgusting to put in my mouth or anywhere close to my mouth just because it looks absolutely disgusting. And it's the neck. Like, it's just gross. It's just gross, man. Ugh. I never would have survived in the wild. Well, you know, if I grew up around like killing birds and stuff like that, or hunting or whatever, and skinning animals, then, of course I'd be fine with it. But considering that this is the first actual turkey that I've ever had to reach inside and take the giblets out of course and I'm 35 years old, of course I'm gonna be disgusted by it and not used to it and not really want to do it. But yeah, if I did this when I was a little kid, and then I would have been used to it, and I would have been like thinking that this looked delicious, and but yeah, that's what happens when you grow up in the city and blah 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 blah. You know the story. Anyways, so yeah, so that's where its head was, and then the neck was attached. I wonder if they give you the neck of a different bird, because I found the neck shoved up inside of there. So, I mean, this could easily be, they just have like in the turkey factory, they just have like a huge bin of necks and a huge bin of hearts and stuff. And so they just give you one each, and then, so it doesn't really matter what turkey gets which heart. I mean, that's bad. I don't think that, I don't know. Does that actually happen? Maybe somebody out there can tell me, but wouldn't that be terrible if like you were a turkey and then not only do you get like completely factory processed, but on top of that you get the head and organs, the neck and organs of another turkey shoved up your butt. Yeah, I think that's terrible that they take your head when you're a turkey, when they slaughter you. They take your head and neck and they shove it up your backside. And then they take your arms and they tuck them around so that it's closed like that. It's just terrible. But and on top of that, if they took the neck of somebody else's, of a different turkey, and shoved it up your behind, man. Or if it was your neck getting shoved up somebody else's behind and being inside there, frozen like that for however long it is before Christmas dinner comes. Anyways, I've gone on long enough about this. Point being, did I get the giblets? Alright, that's all I needed to know. Just let me know. And I've been playing around with them long enough that I'm not grossed out anymore. When I first looked at this, I was absolutely disgusted. But now, obviously, I'm playing with it. And that was the whole point of, no, it wasn't the whole point. But anyway, whatever. Giblets! Alright. Merry Christmas.